unbox my first Louis Vuitton Murakami Cherries piece that I ordered from the online store. So let's open it. So we got the shopping bag, the cherry shopping bag with the glossy cherries all over and the white backdrop with the silver logo. How gorgeous is that? It came with the stickers. So let's open up the stickers. Have the little LV hands. We have the little super flat flower, the cherry blossom, the double cherries with the leaf, the single cherries, and then the 20th anniversary stamp. Here's the item. Let's unbox it. It came with the panda tag. To reveal the cherry bandeau in the denim. How gorgeous is this? This side has all the 12 cherries, and the other side is the plain denim material. This is 100% silk. You can wear it multiple ways. You can tie it like this. Tell me what you think. Bye.